Hey there, Faceless Benz followers. Today we're going to be doing windshield wipers on a W221 2012 Mercedes S550. So what we're going to do, you're going to start the car, which I've already done. Turn on your wiper blades. And what you want to do is, as the wiper blades get vertical, you want to turn your car off so that the blades remain parked vertically. All right, so now the car is off. And this is actually a lot easier than I thought. So these parts were ordered off of Amazon. This is what they look like here. They were about $24 or so. And then all you need to do, it's real easy actually, just pull it out. Make sure you flip it up, and then it actually just slides right out. Throw that one away. So then same thing, see the hole there. Angle it down. Just make sure you take off protective strip. You're all done. Thanks for watching.